So we're talking like maps today. So I guess people call these like sat nav or GPS. What the sort of basically talking about is our unit can take different like map programs, and it has a GPS. So it can be a sat nav, yes. So majority of people sort of driving around our town or whatever are going to be going into like AutoLink here, which is like CarPlay or like Android Auto. And CarPlay and like Android Auto are going to have your maps on them anyway. So that's going to cover that, sort of those maps. Now you get some people who prefer to have like maps direct on here, or trying to use off-road maps or whatnot. So that's when like these sort of the unit having its own GPS, so it makes like a sat nav like system. So we have a couple pre-installed. So we've got iGo pre-installed. It's okay if you, I know some people do like it, some people don't. It's pre-installed. If you actually update our unit, you have to redo them. And the maps are a couple years old. So you can also actually go into the Play Store here. And if you're after the latest version of iGo, now I've got a SIM card in here, so I don't have to give this internet, but you have to be hooked to the internet to bring up this iGo navigation. So you can download the latest version here if you want the latest version. It's got a yearly cost to it. I don't know how. I don't think it's too much, and you get charged per sort of map pack. But that will give you the latest ones. So I'll install that. So that's kind of like the iGo. It's okay. Then we also have Magic Earth on here, which I actually prefer. Now, Magic Earth is a great app, and it sort of works offline. So we have it installed, and if I want it to work offline, you have to come into here, and again have internet, and you just need to download the map packs you need. So it's got each state or the whole of Australia. Now, I prefer this one. I think this is a better app. It's easier to use than iGo, but again, up to you. You can choose. So I guess those are your two options there, and then you can, if you want to have them down here or to come up under here. So if we want it to come up under here, we come into here, car infotainment, navigation, and you can set which one you would prefer to come up there. Now Magic Earth comes up when I tap on here. So that just I just show you how that works, and it will actually come up in our small widget here on the home screen. Again, that is pretty handy, so that we can just go to there, or you can actually obviously touch and hold on here and delete an app off, and you could put an app onto here. I go on the home page. So that's giving you an iGo or Magic Earth options. Some people like a Waze, but that isn't available offline, so you better to have that on your phone, or if you are running a SIM card, then it will be working okay. Then you got other maps memory maps, which is a good app. You can put HEMA map pack into, and the HEMA app. They can all be downloaded as well. And then to download all those different ones, it's again just go into the Play Store. So here's the new iGo one that we just downloaded, and you can put this through. I would assume at some point it's going to try and ask for some money for the offline maps. You can obviously set things up. Yep, we love Jennifer. You can set up this sort of thing. It's fine. It's fine. You get a trial package. So you can go into the shop. So here we go. So this is the actual sort of shop here, which is where you download their map packs from. So a lot better than the sort of factory one where you have to go to Toyota and they go, oh, yep, that's $500, and the maps aren't even the newest maps. So now you can just come into the shop online and download them. It's in a bit of a sync, but I'll just show you if I can print up. Okay, cool. So we have no map pack installed, hence the background is that color. Just being here like sort of the user sap. So you'd have to download the map in here after this, so it's synchronized. So hopefully I've kind of covered it and not confused you too much. For majority of people, I would suggest using Magic Earth and setting it and just downloading like a map offline. If you do like I go, there's a couple options there. Or if there's any other ones you are like after, just go into the Play Store and download them.